Let's go.
Good morning, friends. Today is Thursday, and everybody knows what that means.
How are you today?
Ozark is a therapy dog who goes to children's hospitals and schools. I like how she listens and pays attention. She calms people down after overwhelming days, and she's super soft and cuddly. Ozark makes me feel happy. Purina believes in the power of touch therapy dogs to provide comfort and support and reduce stress and anxiety. That's why Purina is supporting more touch therapy dogs like Ozark to make a difference in the lives of patients, students, and kids like me. Purina cares here.